Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, this is class 8, subject is science, and our topic for today is male reproductive system. So far, we have been able to discuss gametes. We have also discussed the sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, and I also told you about fertilization, internal fertilization, external fertilization. Today, we will talk about the male reproductive system, and we will talk about this system in the context of human beings, right? First of all, we need to know what are the male reproductive organs. Okay, if you see here in the diagram, you can see this bag like structure. This is called bladder. This bladder is meant to store urine, right? This bladder, then you see here, these are ureters, and these ureters they come from kidneys. There are two ureters, one from each kidney. They bring urine from kidneys, and then they store this urine in the this urinary bladder. Then you have here this is called a sperm duct, right? Then you have here this seminal vesicle, right? This is urethra here. Please remember, this is urethra. Then you have this structure which is very important. It's called testes. Okay, it's testes. Then you have scrotal sac. This coiler tube is called epididymis. Okay, let's take these organs one by one. Testes are oval shaped. Testes are oval shaped, and if you see the testes, they lie outside the abdominal cavity of man. They are not in the inside the abdominal cavity, but they lie outside the abdominal cavity of man. Yim cha asan insan san nibr kin, right? Not inside the man. There's a reason for that temperature difference. Okay, let's not go into the detail. And the testes are two in number. There's a pair of testes, right? These testes are called the real reproductive organs in man. Why? Because they produce the male gametes or male sex cells, or we can say sperms. Sperms are produced in the testes. That's why they are called the real reproductive organs, right? They are enclosed in bags. These bags are called as scrotal sacs. Here you see one scrotal sac, this in the scrotal sac. ठीक? These sperms are since they are produced in the testes, then these sperms they are then stored temporarily in what we call as epididymis. This is epididymis. After the sperms are formed here, they get stored in the epididymis temporarily, just for some time. Okay. Then what happens from epididymis? These sperms, they travel through the sperm duct and they get stored in the seminal vesicle. फिर ये यहाँ से ट्रेवल करके जाते हैं और कहाँ पर जाते हैं, फिर रहते हैं स्टोर कहाँ पे, सेमाइनल वेजिकल्स में. और जो कि सेमाइनल वेजिकल ज्वाइन करते हैं किससे, यूरिथ्रा से. यूरिथ्रा कहाँ से आती है, यूरिथ्रा आती है यूरिनरी ब्लैडर से. यूरिथ्रा से ही, यूरिथ्रा के दो, अब हमारे पास ये यूरिथ्रा के थ्रू ही हम यूरिन बाहर निकालते हैं, यूरिथ्रा के थ्रू ही स्पर्म में बाहर निकलती है. ठीक. अब यूरिथ्रा जो कहाँ है, ब्लैडर से. अब जो यूरिथ्रा है, अब सेमाइनल वेसिकल्स में स्टोर होने के बाद कहाँ ये स्पर्म्स कहाँ जाती हैं, ये यूरिथ्रा के थ्रू फिर आते हैं पिन्स में, जो हमारा आउटर रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स है, और पिन्स के ज़रिए से ये बाहर आउटसाइड बॉडी फिर निकलते हैं. ठीक. और जो स्पर्म्स होते हैं ये एक लिक्विड में ट्रैवल करते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं सीमन. एंड इट इज़ वेरी कन्फ्यूजिंग फॉर सो मेनी पीपल. दे समटाइम्स misinterpret the semen and sperm. Semen is actually a fluid which contains sperms. It is a qismuk aab yath man sperm ch asan. This sperm ch asan, basically it's a microscopic cell. I told you in the very beginning, sperm is nothing but it's a microscopic cell. It's a part of semen, right? But what is a semen? Semen is a nutrient rich fluid. ये ऐसा इसमें न्यूट्रंट्स होते हैं. इसका काम क्या है, इट ट्रांसपोर्ट sperms and it also enhances the fertilization abilities. बेशि अख एमिच काम क्या ट्रांसपोर्ट करान यह स्पर्मन पकनावान अमी फ्लूड मुझ स्पर्म पकान ठीक बेशि बढ़ावान वारिया चांस कमिक फर्टिलाइजेशन यानी अम सो बढ़ान फर्टिलाइजिंग एबिलिटी ऑफ sperm is enhanced because semens provide nutrients to the sperms. They also transport the sperms. Therefore, we must not intermingle these two. Sperms are the microscopic cells, right? And semen is a fluid. It is a nutrient fluid which transports the sperm. But therefore, we can say the sperm, they start their journey from testes where they are formed. From testes, they get temporarily stored in the epididymis. From epididymis, they then travel through the sperm duct and reach seminal vesicles. And in seminal vesicles, they make their way to the urethra. From urethra to the penis, and from penis to the outside world. This is the travel history of this sperm. But if you are asked which is the real reproductive organ in man, you can answer it is testes, because testes are the sites where the male sex cells or male gametes are formed.